All right guys, we're taking a look at the spare retention hardware or replacement retention hardware. So it shouldn't really be an issue for you, but if you're one of the guys that likes to back your screws out quite a bit and you don't put Loctite or anything on it, you know, this can happen to you. So we do sell spares. You know, if you know that's you know, kind of your operation and you want to have a backup set of retention grommets and some hardware screws or some screws for your retention, we have that available on the website. But otherwise, this is a warranty item. So on the retention grommet, you've got two different size holes. Okay, so the large hole is going to go down against your posts. So it's going to go on the body side of the holster. Your screw, you're going to push down inside there, throw both grommets inside, and it should be snug getting that screw in there. We have that hole very small so it grabs the end of your retention screw to intentionally not allow these to back out. So what you're going to do, just go ahead, put your finger on the back and screw this in until the screw is flush with the back of the post. And then go ahead, throw your firearm in here, test that retention and adjust it accordingly. So if you have any questions about that, give us a shout at support@daraholsters.com or go ahead and call the customer support team with the number on the website. Thanks guys.